Okay, hello. I'm gonna mute the music. Okay, hello. I'm gonna mute the music.
Hello.
Oh, yep. Feedback. But anyway, hello. Welcome to the stream, everybody. What's up, Whale Tech? Hello. What was your name? Dominic. Hi, Whale Tech. Hello, Blake. Mute my phone. So anyway, undefined welcome. Oh yeah, that's But anyway, today we are going to. Oh wait, why is it not? Here on the Whale Tech channel, we make sure that absolutely nothing is prepared before we hit record, or in this case, hit go live. But anyway, about that undefined welcome. How did that compile? I don't know what you mean. But anyway, we are here. We also have the stinkiest of webcams today. Hello. But anyway, yeah. So today we're going to be installing LFS on my Dell right here. My Dell has a Beats logo on it, but it's just because I have a oh gosh. That's just because I have a Beats sticker. Very stinky, and it's stinky quality. But anyway, we have the Arch that's upside down. We have the Arch, by the way, USB stick. Yes, it's a USB stick. And so we're just going to plug it in. You can't see a thing. I'm holding the camera in free hand, so I can't do it. Can you give me an internet archive? No, you find that yourself. In. Open it up. Turn it on. I can't reach the power button. And spam that F12 key. Oh. Okay, nice. So I can't see, but you can. So I need that one. Oh gosh, that's loud. Loud. Okay. I don't really like. Oh gosh. Yeah, I'm scared for that to happen, and scared for the webcam to fall over, so I'm gonna get rid of the webcam. I think we can actually. Oh, I can't spell stupid mobile keyboard. That was it. Okay. Well, let's get rid of that. So anyway, we're booting up into Arch. Just gonna turn the webcam back on and nothing else. We are booting up Arch Linux. Main camera. This is actually just a webcam. Do you have a capture card? Yes, I have one right now hooked up. I have the Super Mario Brothers NES. Okay. I also have the Super Mario Brothers font on my waybar. Nice. Literally just an old Logitech 720p webcam. Okay, there we go. We are now booted into the Arch ISO. Did you see the new Gigatech video about the MacBook? Yes, I did. But anyway, I'm going to put the camera down, turn it off, and I need to get under. Why don't you ever see a webcam have a tripod screw? Exactly. Oh my gosh. No. IP8. Wait, I just realized I need my USB Ethernet adapter. Here on the Whale Tech channel, we make sure that absolutely nothing is prepared before we hit record. I don't know where this adapter is. Oh no. Does any of you copy what Jig Attack does? Anyway, I can just move OBS to the side there. Station, WLAN, cooked, my network. No. Okay, now I actually think I can show the capture. Oh, ow. Oh, I just... Oh. Anyway, yeah, I'm not even going to bother with the capture card because we are connecting over SSH anyway. System, CTL, enable, now, SSHD. 192.168.0.85. Blast. It looks kind of cool, but no. Oh no, that is system settings. Oh yeah, I just realized I need to do I need to do the ping. Notify video uploads. There we go, now I should get a few more people. What's your opinion on Windows XP? Great. Password as well. I'm typing at a really bad angle. There we go. Hey! Oh, nope, that's my... So anyway, we're in the Arch ISO. Nice. I've been with you since the first video. Oh, thanks. But anyway, we're in the Arch ISO. Let's bring up... Well... no, I don't need multi-lib. I just want LFS. Read. I'm gonna do system D. No, that's the that. Stable LFS system D. How to build an LFS system. That's just showing. Okay, chapter 1 we can skip. So, preparing the host system. From scratch. Okay. Okay, software. So we need sh. Bin should be a symbolic or hard link to bash. Well, this is definitely not bash. What LFS distro will you use? I'm gonna use this. I'm using the book. I'm doing everything off the book. core utils. We have core utils, we have bash, we have bin utils. We need, can I just sudo pacman-syu, read everything, yeah, read everything. Base devil. Wait, disk space? What do you mean? Yeah, don't spam. Okay, well I need something quick. And Arch is quick, so I'm just gonna do a quick Arch installation. Those. Put that there. Installing it. So, time, date, CTL. Yup, looking good. It's an hour behind, but that's UTC. I have a video ID, okay. Okay, tell me. No, wait, that's... I'm going to be installing LFS on this hard drive. Are we making LFS again? Yes. Dual boot every version of Mac OS. No, someone else already did that. And besides, I'm not ready to spend days on a video. There, Gen 2. My mouse just disconnected. I think my mic's back. Yup. Okay, thank you. Arch installed to save time. Checking version. I don't care that there's a new version of Arch install. Okay, Arch install language. Keyboard layout UK. Locale language EN GB. Wherever it is. ENGB.UTF-8. UTF-8 mirrors. Mirror region. All the way down to United Kingdom. Back disk config. I want that one. Select file system. Here about this, but disk encryption, no. Swap, yes. Bootloader, grub, hostname, Arch Linux, root password. That. No, I don't need a user. Profile type minimal. Kernel, Linux, network config. London, automatic time sync, install, device /dev /SDB, yes, formatting. Music. One more video idea, yeah, tell me. It's not all about you. Yeah, don't beg, but just show it. Installing Windows 3.1. I already did that a ton of times. Okay, well, we're installing GCC this time, so we can actually have GCC. No ENUS, because he's from the UK. Yes, of course. Extra strong mint to keep me going. That. But why? Why exactly? Thank you. Yeah, fine, Rail. I just need a new alias. Okay. Oh, wow. This is extra strong. Do some weirdo, some... Okay. I just booted off my main Arch Linux partition. No, Control-Alt-Delete that. I think the install is done. Yeah, the Arch install is done. But we need this just to get started with LFS. Jeez, I can't reach. Well, yes, they were acting up. No need to be extreme with it here. Okay, well, we're booted. Bringing back the webcam. There we go, we're booted. Also, I forgot to get rid of this earlier, so... Anyway. Who the flip is pinging me? In general. Oh, hey, Alice GD, channel member, got the Switch 2. Yeah, congrats. Oh! Login. SSHD does not exist. Who's pinging me so much? Oh, jeez, no. Oh, you set pings to all messages. Yeah, I did. I need to know exactly what's happening. Ow. So, Pac-Man dash S. SH. Yes. Do it. Do I need the server? No, that doesn't exist. Turn it on. Okay. Sudo Pac-Man dash S B top. Yes. B top. Okay, now we don't have to touch that again. Whale the red alert. Oh no. What is the name of this song? I don't even know. Hey Whale, just a heads up. I have had some minor issues and I had to do a little hoop. Jump. Okay, I had to do a little hoop jumping installing LFS off the latest Arch version. Arch talk chain differs slightly from what is required by LFS. I'll see if this works. I'll just see if it works. Now can I connect? Okay, I need to RF. No, just RM. Oh, retracted. With LFS. Jeez. Control C. Oh no, I'm gonna get caught. copyright claimed by this. I'm gonna get copyright claimed by this. I'm gonna get copyright claimed by this. Okay, change this, change this, change this, change this, change this, change this. No! For using that. This works. I think I'm fine. I think I'm fine. Hey, now I'm root. Okay. Python. Okay, I need to install Python. Oh wait, no, I don't have sudo. Oh yeah, I can just pacman-sy Python. Using Green Hill Zone music in my latest video, which was literally in the game I tasked. Yeah, YouTube copyright is just okay. Yes! 30 minutes in and we've already got a working toolchain. Look at that. Now I'm actually just gonna make a quick mnt/data. Stages. Okay, creating a new partition. Okay, so let's partition this. I don't need the arch, by the way, USB. Well, thank gosh the camera wasn't on. Just dropped it. It's the one thing I was worried about. Now, oh no. Now, did I get copyright claimed for this? Because I did use dire docs in a video, and I got copyright claimed. Delete. So we can make a new EFI system, a 60GB root, and a 128GB home. Know the Nintendo Creators Program? No. A really minimal install of... There we go. Copyright. Oh my gosh, I'm boiling. Okay. Wait, what's the temperature today? I don't even... What's the temperature? 29 degrees! Okay, I'm gonna get a fan out because I'm this short. Two. Oh my gosh. Setting. New partition. Yep. It's 23. Oh, you're kind of lucky. I wish it was -3. Fine, I'm fine with copyright on this, but anyway, Dev, yeah, Mario 64 music gets copywritten for some reason, or copy, whatever. Oh yeah, I put it's ext4, not XFS. There we go. Mount /dev/s no NVMe 0N1P1 /MNT/LFS/boot/EFI make the parents verbose. Oh no, parents is a make the thing. Anyway, it's gonna get to 30 on Monday. Jeez, it's hot. Oh no. Introduction. Now this is the bit I was stuck on before. Netherlands, this'll do. wget, no, okay, cd. Oh, I don't have wget. Apparently, Basically Homeless made a video of installing viruses on a Wii? What's the point? Okay. So, LFS 12. The Wii Shop channel is dead anyway. There is no financial incentive. Exactly. you get that. And then we download. Yeah, I don't know anymore. I don't know what to say anymore. Also, I set up this little feature on YouTube where when I click on start break, one of my videos plays just while I'm on break. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't care. While I'm just gonna leave it for 5 minutes, and perfect time to test the break feature. Muting. Did I miss anything? Also, audio go no. Okay, well. On to this. So, Gen 2 Linux. I've never really done a long form video on it before, so a viewer thought, why not install it on my Steam Deck? Yes, this is an actual viewer video suggestion, and yes, I'm doing it today. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, this is the worst camera angle ever, but we'll work with it. So first we need to turn. Hey, welcome to this. So, Gen 2 Linux. I've never really done a long form video on it before, so a viewer thought, why not install it on my Steam Deck? Yes, this is an actual viewer video suggestion, and yes, I'm doing it today. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, this is the worst camera angle ever, but we'll work with it. So first we need to turn it on and hold down the volume down button. None of this is working, so... Huh? It's the video. Yeah, YouTube hates me, I guess. YouTube just hates me. We are still downloading. Yes. Yeah, YouTube hates me. So I guess I'm just gonna wait here. The video is unavailable. Let's try again. 1 minute. Hey, welcome to this. So, Arch Linux. It's a pretty common theme of my channel. And yeah, so someone suggested that I install the very first version of Arch Linux from
Wait, when was it?
2000. Yep, it works. No, I cannot play this. I cannot play this. I cannot play this. I cannot play this. Perfect. Anyway, we downloaded files. Packages. I don't care. Needed patches? No. Okay, create. Adding the LFS user. Do this. Anyways, Peggle. Yeah, we're gonna do Peggle in a bit. There we go. Now we are in LFS. No idea what I'm typing in, but we'll work with this. Oh yeah. Permission denied. Make flags. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay. There, that'll do. Now, we source it. And I'm also going to source bash RC about SBUs. Suite for newly built package is a good idea because it can provide a sanity check. I don't really care about task suites unless they're needed. Important preliminary material. What ID do you use? What do you mean? Just make a stream playlist with MP3s and shuffle it. That's what I'm doing. This is going to end badly. Not knowing something in LFS is a disaster. No, I've installed LFS before. So, this should be fine. About cross-compilation. I think we already read this. The LFS thing, yes. Chain. I missed something. Yeah, I need to extract everything, but anyway, I'll VF dot tire dot GZ. All at once, it screws with the compilation later on since timestamps mess up when extracted too long ago. Sanity not found. And actually see what I'm doing. Alright, just trying to figure out some stuff. Okay, I found the command I ran last time. So it is grep -v dot patch $. I have no idea what I'm running, by the way. Well, I did this before. We pipe it into xargs and I That's an I. Tar dash XVF. Okay, no, I forgot. LS, and then we pipe it into there. Yes, okay, we're actually extracting. And we're already doing better than the first stream. We're only an hour in. It's extracting patches. No, we're excluding patches from this extraction. But I did the wrong thing. Ooh, it's excluding patches. Why? Because I cannot extract patches. Okay, now we cd bin utils. Gonna run a stopwatch. Paste. Enter. How long is an SBU? Already. Exactly. You have to make the build directory and then compile inside the build directory. I think I did that, didn't I? 1 sub per second is equal to 1 sub per second. Oh my gosh, I was fast! 53 seconds! Yeah, it's in build. Now we do GCC. 3.2 SBU. GCC. Equals around 53 seconds. Getting that better. Oh. It's a exchange. Give me this symbol. Okay, 1 SBU. That 53 seconds. There we go. On x64 host. Yes. Compiling the compiler, everybody. We are compiling the compiler. I'm gonna pin this. Oh, whoa, that was fast. We are using the compiler to compile the compiler. Half-Life or Gary's mod? No. Right now I'm on a 13-year-old MacBook, also running Windows. Should I transfer everything from here to there and wipe the Windows install then? Or install Linux? pretty good. I think we might be able to. If so, which one? The last one takes forever and a day. Last time I did it, it took several hours to compile. Well, one SBU is... Hold on, let me try. Let me just do some calculations. How flip do you compile a compiler? I'm using a compiler to compile a compiler. What so? A compiler. Copyright claims. What hardware are you using? I am using an i5 1135G7 with 32 gigabytes of RAM and a 256 gigabyte NVMe SSD. Ow. Last time I did LFS, I had to wait for a 46 SBU package to compile. I think it was GCC. And then took several hours. But this time on real hardware it should be a lot faster. Lucky you having 32 gigabytes or RAM. I only have 8 gigs of DDR2. Well, I have 32 gigs of DDR4. The 46 SBU package is the last GCC compile. Yeah, that was the one that took several hours last time. And I had to end the stream and wait for it to compile while I did other stuff. Well, now this... Yeah, it does. I don't care. I'm also just gonna install Steam while I'm at it. No, wait, just gonna install Steam. Whale Tech, once you're done with LFS, perhaps expand on it as a nice series and do that. Want to do BLFS. Add the Steam repository. Oh no, I clicked on something. The Steam launcher. Masked. Oh wait, masked. Okay. I can fix this. Installing Steam. Good the Gen 2 wiki is. Okay, yep, it's masked. This one is syslibs libudev For all the fellow Gen 2 users out there, do you have to deal with a lot of these masking, unmasking on a daily basis, or is it just me? Yes, I hate Gen 2 when it comes to packaging. Yeah, Gen 2, I don't hate it, it's just annoying. Oh my gosh, yes. We're doing Gen 2 as well. Will you ever try, did you use, okay, will you ever try what is ALFS? I am Linux Man, the bringer of shocking information. Anyway, do we have Steam? Steam. I got the Nintendo Switch too. Nice. I saw in. Wow, what is my grammar? What is your grammar? Why do we even need this terminal? I also just got Steam as well. Nice. What do you want about grammar? It doesn't exist. Okay, now when it shows the QR code, I am taking it off. To transfer over my save file. My Peggle. Wait, do I need to transfer my save file? My Peggle save file? Because I can just literally grab my Steam. Oh, yes, thank you, Steam. Going on my other monitor just by itself. Steam. Yes! Log in! Is this thing even working? Oh. Oh my god. Get up. Anyway, should we do some Peggle? It's still good. I feel like Mint and Android use the same. Anyway, I'm gonna need to go just for a second. I'm gonna need to leave. So I'm just gonna put it on one of my random videos and take a break. Just doing the new break feature a lot. After all, it gives you something else to watch while I'm gone. So anyway, I'll be back. So, package. This is a Lenovo ThinkCentre that I bought off eBay and it finally arrived. So, what am I waiting for? Let's get this open. Okay, got some scissors and I got a wooden board here. Okay, I don't know how to open. Alright, so let's move the camera a little bit back and bring out, is there anything in here? Oh yes, there is. It's a box inside a box. Now what's inside this box? The power cord, and we have a, oh. So that's where the Wi-Fi antenna went. Because the eBay seller said that the Wi-Fi antenna is missing. And here is the actual thing itself. We need that we need that Zelda opening theme. Here it is. Oh, it's cold. Well, what you gotta expect. It's been in a shipping truck for... Oh, come on. Get off. There we go. And I assume this is where you screw in the Wi-Fi aerial. So I'm gonna screw in the Wi-Fi aerial. Boom. So, wow, it's... Yeah, this is cold. So, let's get rid of all the box. And alright, all the box stuff is over there. So let's have a look at the actual unit itself. So we have a power button, audio in, audio out, USB 1 and 2. They are both USB 3 ports. And this has an i5 vPro 7th gen. You can't read that, but there you go. On the back, we have power, display port, another USB port, another display port, 3 more USB ports, an Ethernet plug, and an HDMI port. I have no idea where this HDMI port came from, but yeah, I'll need to have a look at the actual specs of the computer. So we have our power cable, and we have this piece of paper. I'm gonna read it first. Okay, that is, it's a lot of personal information on there. And a message from the seller, thanks for your purchase, I hope you love it. Well, so far I do love it. So let's get the monitor out and get this whole thing set up. Okay, I believe we're almost ready. Here's the power cable. I've not plugged it in yet because I don't know if it'll just turn on when you just plug in the power cable, but I'll go do that. Power is in. Alright, it didn't boot up. So, once we get the camera focused, I'm gonna press the power button. Light just turned green. The eye in ThinkCentre is lit up. Put it on HDMI 1. Hey! Look at that! It's working! Oh, and we're logging in. The previous owner set the username was just yay! Look at that! Alright, so we're in. My mouse works. My Lenovo mouse works. So yeah, let's just see what we got on here. It seems to just be a clean install of Windows. You can load up Microsoft Edge, the worst browser of all time, probably tied with Chrome. Oh yeah, I forgot, I'm not on the internet. So let me, wanna play a game while you wait? Yeah, that's just ripped from Chrome. What even is the game? Oh, it's working, it's actually working, okay. So yeah, we have it. Let's load up YouTube, and do we have audio? So yeah, we're on my channel. Oh, and
Hey, what's this? So, the Nintendo Wii U. This thing is great. I need a light for this because you can't see anything in here.
yeah, sound works. So yeah, it works. So now, let's see the specs. Back. And it's music that I won't get copyright claimed. So I already did make install on Canva. Let's get the API headers. Where are they? Let's not see the specs. I remember looking up whale tech on YouTube, and one video that popped up was, can air tags track whales? There we go. Oh, I'm using it as a server. Why did the music spike up for 1 millisecond? Oh yeah, I was manually typing in the, I was trying to type -20. So I typed in -2, -20. Yeah, I don't know. Working on a new server, new Minecraft server. Thing. What? Are you hosting your website on a local PC or something? Because I recall looking around and nothing being able to find any further info about it. I am hosting my website on GitHub. Compile my system yet, and then it's a screenshot of Gentoo. Nice. Remember to hydrate. No, I have 2 cups of water, so. Get in and configure glibc for compilation. Are you on Gentoo? Yeah, I'm on Gentoo. Oh, do you know what? Do you know what would be better than fast fetch? Oh, by the way. That is literally, if I cat my bash RC, this is, oh by the way, is clear and fast fetch. Exit. Okay, now I need to make. Will install the newly built glibc to your host system. Haha, oh by the way command. Yeah, I just love that. Watching YouTube videos in the TTY is the funniest thing. What's cat? I'm not really a Linux guy. Well, cat is basically the equivalent of type in the Windows command prompt. So if I in a file, yes, and then we cat file.txt, it prints out the contents of file.txt. The bitrate is gone. What do you mean the bitrate is gone? I'm streaming at a... My mouse went out again. I'm streaming at a pretty good 3000. Hold on. Wait, what bitrate am I supposed to be streaming at? Supposed to be streaming at. Right. I can change the bitrate. I'm streaming at around 3,500 to 4,000 kilobits. The terminal behind the... Oh my gosh, okay, get rid of that. Change it to 1. No, I'm not changing my bitrate to 1. You should try to adjust this to look like a stream border thing. No, I'm fine. Thanks. Do you want me to up the bitrate? Do you want me to up the bitrate? But okay, I need a bit of a looking up here. I am upping the bitrate. This is way too low of a bitrate. I up it to 8,000. There we go. Now we have a good amount of bitrate. Gee, what just happened? Oh, hey, oh gosh, nope, I'm not pronouncing that name. I'm doing 8,000. That happened. Yeah, that happened. Well, thanks for subscribing. I think bitrate change requires a restart. No, I'm fine. I just changed the bitrate on the fly, and now OBS says I'm streaming at 10,000 kilobits per second. It's fluctuating between 6,000 and 10,000 right now. I have it set to 8,000. So, install this. YouTube should have name requirement. What do you mean? Table. Is LFS to Gen 2? What? Gen 2 is to Arch? What? Like, names that should not exist? Yes, exactly. Oh yeah, I get what you mean by that. Person who just subscribed. Nice. Removed. Okay. Slash dot dot slash lib. From GCC, GCC. Back into GCC. build 2, build 2, and now I'm in build 2. Install that library and remove. I'm currently downloading a Debina ISO. I'm currently downloading a Debina ISO so I can start building LFS. I mean, I spent 7 uninterrupted hours coding in assembly like 2 weeks ago. Bruh, spelling. Yeah, Debina. Okay, well, I've finished my first cup of water. Time for my second. Anyway, that's done. Now we are cross-compiling temporary tools. Alright, cd // m4. In 3 hours. X-based stuff. Debina. Debian. Debian, Debina. Error? What do you mean, error? Should be fine. Oh. What? Debian kind of sucks in my opinion. No, I call it Debian. It's idiot in Bulgarian. Anyway, let's try this again. Make. What? Oh. Basic utilities. Yeah. For LFS, it says in the book. Okay, can you help me? Chat, can you help with... How do I fix this? Because if I go here... Recompile glibc. Okay, I'll recompile glibc. Where are we, glibc? Patch it. Skipping patch. RM-RF. Build. We're starting with a fresh build suite. I was on chapter 6.1. Let's see. Check for errors and go back to M4. Did you run menu config? Wait, what are you even compiling? I'm compiling M4. Book. Where? What chapter? Just recompiling glibc. Listen to smart guy. Scroll up so I can see the command. Okay. So I'm doing glib. Okay, so I'm here. Right here on M4. And then I did this. It gave me an error too, saying, hold on, what was the error? The error was that it assumed the value of MB_len_max wrong. In chat if you want to see the error. Is broken because it doesn't have the dependency apparently. So what do I need to do? The GCC guide has a check command returning nothing. So should I try? I'm gonna try recompiling. Okay, go back to the GCC section. Where is the GCC section? GCC. The GCC section. Will cause dropped frames. Well, I don't see any dropped frames on OBS, so I think I'm fine. Scroll down a bit. Bit more. Just send me a link. Wait, are they? Are frames being dropped? Oh yeah, no, the bitrate is terrible. I can tell what you're talking about. The bitrate is terrible. Okay. I'm just trying glibc just as, I don't know. glibc gave an error. Cannot find lgcc_s. No such file or directory. I'll paste this in chat for you too. Oh no, I don't. I can't. There we go. That's the error I'm getting. No such file or directory. Exactly. The check command is returning nothing for exactly that dependency. Recompile GCC. Okay, I'll recompile GCC. GCC. Okay. cd.rm-rf build. cd./gcc. I'll use all of that. In fact, no, just install the dependency. Wait, what dependency? LGC. I'm just gonna reinstall. I'm just gonna do reinstall GCC. Starting from a clean slate. I think we already did. One line at a time. Take your time with GCC. On x64, that one recommends building GCC in a dedicated directory. I'm in the build directory. Now we grab that. Okay. Everything looks fine. Make. GCC is fun! Yes! GCC is fun! Ensure that the ld-config and sln utilities are installed into user bin echo. This is broken. Ensure that the... in the glibc section. Okay, well, I'm already recompiling GCC, so I'm just going to leave it to... I'm just going to let it recompile GCC. Just really tired. Having issues. I know this might be bothering you, so boom, it's aligned. I don't know anymore. To be fair, I'm backtracking. It might not be GCC, but glibc errored out. I think I missed a line up. I don't know what you mean, but I trust you. Won't hurt, yeah. So sorry, yeah. Someone did say recompiled, yeah. Joanne, recompile GCC. I'll go for another hour and a bit, then I'll start ending. Yes, it's already 4:12. Back after searching for a spot with good shade because it was too hot inside. Oh, my server hibernated itself again. Ah! is happening today? I don't know. Claims. It's 5:12 at my place, and I still have this excruciating heat until 7 o'clock. I just tried distros for the fun of it. French time? No, not. Oh, yeah, French time. I thought you were gonna. I thought it was. Oui, oh wait, top chat should go into live chat. With the heat, I have -4 for mornings and 11 for afternoon. Jeez, that's cold. Baguette oui. Winter time here, but I love it. I love living in a. You from Australia then? No, Bulgaria. Every winter has been colder here, and every summer has been hotter for the past. Me out of water. It's Australia. It's also South America, some of Africa, etc., etc. You have the spiders in the heat, but no other bugs. Oh yeah. GCC. Oh, hello, weird video gamer. Oh, yeah. What about Australia Deluxe? Dank pods. Australia is the country where okay. Ugh. Australia is the country where every animal wants to kill you when you step 1 foot out the door, lol. Oh wait, I'm gonna play All-Star on my Arduino. Okay, I need to redo. What's up, little oh, hey, Lollapalooza. Did you know rat brain tissue can run? Really? Really? I didn't think anything. There was a whole scientific write-up. Really? I just. Also a scientific write-up for that. Yeah, an Arduino, definitely. If rat brain tissue can run Doom, an Arduino can definitely run Doom. One frame per day. Like, you gotta think about the budget, GPU people, without ray tracing. Oh, yep, and this is the one where it takes absolutely forever. So I'm going on break. See you in a... Oh, yeah, should probably change the video. Alright, well, I'm going on break. So, it's just Arch Linux on an EPC. Okay. I'm going on break for the next 5 minutes, so I'll see you in a bit. Oh, end break. YouTube hates me.
Hey, Rom, to this.
Oh, yes, that works.
Arch Linux, right? I've done a few videos on it before. EPC 901. I've made a video on it before, and yeah, we're going to be installing Arch Linux on this. So yeah, no more intro. Let's get started. Alright, scene change. We have our USB stick. So let's plug it in, turn it on, and spam that escape key. And we're in. So let's boot off the SanDisk and boot into the Arch Linux 32. Install media. And after a little bit, we're in. So we're gonna load keys UK. Yes. I absolutely hate this keyboard. I'm gonna grab an external one. I got the external keyboard in so I can actually have a comfortable experience for once. Anyway, IWCTL. Oh, there is WLAN 0. Okay, perfect. Network is unreachable. Oh, yeah, there we go. We're on the network. So now what do I do? Partition the drive. CF disk. Yup, that is my Windows partition. So I'm gonna delete. I'm gonna, yup, MS-DOS, that'll do. So I need to go pack, strap, that'll do for right now. Oh, puppy, this is slow. Alright, we are downloading. Yeah, Pentium 4, because this is totally a Pentium 4. Anyway, let's let this install. What? I'll get errors free. Good 15 minutes now. And would you look at that? We're actually installing stuff. So, GPG wasn't cooperating with my, with the certificates, so I made it cooperate with the certificates. But anyway, it's installing now. I'm gonna get it back on the tripod, and we're gonna continue. Alright, so...
we're doing, glibc again. Make sure that... Okay, now I need to patch it. Now I need to build it. Now I need to make sure that the LDN... Now we prepare glibc. Why does Proxmox and it keeps showing up? Oh my gosh, my voice. Ow. Make.
Why does Proxmox in Bulgarian have a balloon device? It keeps showing up!
Yeah, I don't know. I don't speak Bulgarian. Oh no, we're dropping. We are dropping. I think we are dropping frames. We are dropping frames as we speak. Here, 160. Bit right. Frame OBS. LFS quickly. No, our frames! I think we're good now. Oh, geez, who's pinging me? Ping. Hi. Hey. Let's see here. How much watch time do we have? 24.9. That's pretty nice. Budget laptop. Buy old expensive laptop for cheap. Yeah, exactly. You're popular. You're popular. You're popular. An upgrade to an SSD. Get that running with some Linux and a window manager like i3. That was me, hee hee. If you want new, it's because new cheap stuff was designed to be bad. Yeah, just buy an old. If you're looking for a computer, just buy an old ThinkPad. I have a ThinkPad X260 that I literally bought. That I literally got for free, and just bought a £20 keyboard replacement, stuck it in, and boom! Now it works perfectly. So, I love 1080p downscaled 720. Crispy pixels. Okay. Perfect. Oh, nice. I think it's just the rapidly scrolling. Okay, we have the same problem. Whale Tech using a laptop. No, I'm not. Error 2 on GCC. Fix the issue from the chat command. Ensure that the LD config. I have ran this. But I'll run it again. Hold on. RM config. I'll run this. Minecraft server, but it checks it. It does not fix it. Oh my gosh, I just realized I'm playing Dire Docks. I cannot play this. You have to fix it yourself manually. Oh shit. How do I fix it? Monetized. LD config and SLN utilities are installed into user. Let me actually check. Make a sim link. Stream get taken down? No, my stream will just get a copyright claim. Okay, let me actually. Both in there. It's a user Espen. They are both in here. They had VOD tracks, like. Do do even have LD config and SLN installed. Are they just Pac-Man packages? LD config arch. It just... Hold on, we're getting out of this. I think so. Wait, let me read the error again. Here's the error. Because then it would be too long. I can 0x0 time on the web. Still glibc. I'm actually just gonna send then we pipe that into curl-f file equals Wait. I'm getting Pac-Man noise. That was really loud. Still glibc. Upload go. Oh, I guess that exiting the grub command line will exit the system. Oh yeah, dia docs. Nope, I can't. Yeah. Think. Maybe it's because I'm talking. Whoa! Actually, so it would be a bit of a pain to change. I'll do that for next time. Trouble on one of the streams for using dia docs, so that's correct. What do you mean it's a web page? I made a web page. Yeah, it's in the description. It is literally just a web page. Other OBS, it's literally just this. This random.html is the playlist. Oh, do you know what? I could just put it in paste bin. Yeah, paste. Wait up. Go to see what's in here. Oh yeah, it's probably just there's paste bin. Paste exposure. Can I literally just use paste bin? Alright, capture. Okay, there we go. There's paste bin. There it is. You have a paste bin? No, I'm just doing this as a guest. Control C to uncapture the VM, to uncapture the mouse from the VM instead of Control Alt, and I keep stopping stuff. Yeah, I don't do that, but I can understand how that would be actually pretty annoying. Can you send the, well, there it is, there's the paste. That means it can't find libgcc. Do I have GCC? But we are building libgcc. My mouse just went out again. But we are building libgcc exactly. Post. Do you have libgcc installed? Libgcc. No. I have just GCC. I have reinstalled here. I'm gonna there, GCC. There we go. I just reinstalled GCC. GCC libs. Installed. I can actually try SY. I installed change the MNT LFS. Let me actually just check Echo LFS. Yeah, MNT LFS is there. Shoot, it's not supposed to be there. What? Okay, what have I done wrong? Where should it even be? LFS, there we go. I'm in LFS. I'm the LFS user. CD. Where are we? Let me just get that error again. Make that. You are using Pac-Man on Gen 2. No, this is a different computer. I am currently SSH'd into a different computer. This is different. Yeah, I'm SSH'd. So, yeah, see if I make. It makes. It did it! It did it! It did it! It made it! Look, no errors! No errors! No errors! No errors! I'm not complaining. Moving on! troublesome. Yeah, I don't think I should have done Arch. Next stream, I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna try something else. You just reinstalled GCC libs and GCC a ton of times, and it just works. Yeah, it just works. What? Let me check. Any errors? GCC. Okay, that compiled. No, that just built the tick program on the host. Oh my gosh. Okay, change the text. Change the text. Where is the text? The text to it's working. No! It's working. Now slow down! You're doing this too fast. Read the warnings, read everything. I read the warnings. The meaning, I've done that. I make. If it tells me to do something, I'll do it. Well, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh my, wait, what's happening to the latency? Does that work? One ChatGPT away. But it also fixed itself. Yeah, that was a bit... Here it's... Well, I already have read it and it's nothing that I need. Him, her, him, chat, I'm confused. I'm confused. Whoa. We have more errors. I am a he, him. Okay, what's going on? Oh. Yeah, we have... But anyway, error. Tar. Anyway, copy. Paste that in. Any errors? No errors. Next stream, I'm gonna try this on a different distro. Arrows. Paste bin as well. I need to add a new paste. There's this error. Big. It's big. There's lots of. We have an error. There's lots of them. But you can't. Oh my god, my mouse just died again. I think it might just be my USB hub. Yep, there we go. It's back. Paste bin. Hold on, I'm not even going to put text here. I'm not even going to bother with text. Here, do you know what? I'm gonna engage with my audience. I'm gonna start a poll. Should I end the stream here? Should I end the stream here and try again tomorrow with a different distro? Because I know Arch has issues. You already installed LFS, correct? I installed LFS once before, but I want to try the skills transfer over. I'm actually going to take a look at ALFS. Alright, so no. Getting a whole lot of no. Open Mandriva LFS. Also, maybe try Debian as your host build machine. Oh, whoa, just check. Can I stream a game in voice chat? And yeah, I'm gonna try Debian. Just do LFS, put it on a Gen 2 live USB. Yeah, I'm gonna try. Because last time I did Open Mandriva and I did not run into any of these issues. Debian. Also, maybe try Debian as your host build machine. Yeah, I might actually try, okay, next time, I'm gonna try Debian SID as my host build system, and I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna end the poll. I've never built LFS on Debian. Well, it does include Debian in one of the examples. Open Mandriva is also good for LFS. So I'm gonna probably cut it here, even though I know you said not to. Debian seems stable. I'm probably just gonna use Debian SID because I need the latest versions of stuff. But anyway, I'm gonna try that. Probably gonna end the stream here, even though I know you told me not to. But I am getting kind of use MX. Use 12, not 13. Yeah, I'm gonna. Wait, what? Yeah, Debian 12. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Debian.org. Full testing is said for Debian. Trixie is unstable right now. Yeah. When I use Debian, I always use SID, just because SID. But I am thinking of use stable LFS. No, I'm talking about Debian. Stable testing. This is Debian, not Ubuntu. Stable, testing, or SID. Debian. I'm gonna do this as a poll. Just join. Thank you. Anyway, use stable, not 13. I'm building LFS today on 12. Anyway. I actually have a Debian virtual machine. I'm actually gonna just make a quick new virtual machine. I joined. I'm building LFS stable. 13 has serious issues. Okay. So I already have Debian. Debian 12. Yeah. I'm just gonna make it quick. 6.4. 2 cores because I don't really need this. This is just a test virtual machine. He needs new software though. Yeah, well if it's 60 gigs, because why not? That one, Debian 12, Debian stable. Yep. Tablet. None. OpenGL. With 3D acceleration. No TPM. Begin. Okay, so I'm gonna try and just install Debian. I'm gonna install Debian. I'm gonna run that first little build test. See if everything is present on the system script in the book. And then if it is, then I'm gonna end the stream. He also has the first... What? Windows XP? Okay, configuring the network. I typed in Dabina! I typed in Dabina again! Oh no! The stream latency! Hold on, it's my... Oh my... Yeah, I'm keeping it Dabina! Oh, yes! I'm keeping it Dabina! Password, no root password, whale tech 07AA. Dabina. Hold on, yes, this is perfect. Use entire disk, all files in one partition. Yes, that'll do. Inside, oh yeah, I'm gonna send this in announcement. No, I'm gonna send this in general. No, I'm gonna send it in garbage. Garbage. Dabina. What should be the what should be the logo for Dabina? Should it literally just be the Debian logo, but off in some way? Yes. Real. Okay, I'm actually gonna, while Debian is installing, I'm gonna go into Krita. Yes, I call it Krita, not Critter. Go 800 by 800. Grab the Debian logo. I will come for your next stream. I'll come for the next stream. Just promise me one thing. Take your time with each step. I changed the emoji name to Dabina. No. Change it back. I'm making the new Dabina emoji. Debian logo. Okay, give me this SVG. As open logo SVG. And now we have an SVG of the Debian logo. Oh my gosh. Yep, there we go. So let's reverse it, mirror horizontal, And I also have a little fun thing to do, which is to adjust the control you. Bruh. As just Debina. Debian. Oh, okay, fine. Debian. With. Okay. Debina 1. Dot. Really to go. JPEG. And then. No, wait, no, not a JPEG. What am I thinking? Doing it as a JPEG. Scan more media? No. Wait, what? Oh yeah, that's just Bash doing Bash. Yeah, look. Do LFS for this very reason. It's a fantastic learning platform. Looking forward to your next one. Okay, I'm gonna close out of this SSH session. I'm closing out of everything here. All we really need is this. Yay, Wii U. That is not dire docs, so we're good. In pictures, Debian. Oh, let's just reload it and see. Can I do filters? Why can't I do filters? Is it to do with my... It might be to do with my actual creator. I did effects on okay, Debina 1 dot PNG. I'm not thinking. PNG, large file size. Debina 1. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now we. Oh yes, I can HSV adjust. No, I can HSV invert. Inverting would be quite funny. Invert. Now we have blue. It's blue. Except that's quite big, so and here's our Debina logo. Save that, and boom, Debina. Oh no, that's not what I wanted to. Wrong monitor. Server settings. Emoji. How many slots do I have? 12. Pictures. Debina. Garbage. Oh, yep, someone's in there. Garbage. Debina. Boom, now there's Debina. Wait, do you know what? Oh my gosh, this is perfect for members. Earn memberships. I'm gonna change badges and emoji. I'm gonna remove, and I'm gonna add another emoji. Okay, I can upload up to 5. This. And then upload in pictures, Dabina. What other one do you want? Why does rule 13? Now I need to make what is rule 13? So yeah, because they are not particularly... Yay, Dabina. Yeah, because they're not particularly people I want in there, so... And... March Gen 2 Debian. What do I have? Choose. Here, I'll actually just Dabina. Save and publish. Add emotes. Whale Tech should make his own OS called Dabina. That would be amazing. Yeah, Dabina based on Debian. And now members can use Dabina. Charity contest. Let's see. Debian win. Hey, Dabina! Anyway, I am going for far longer than I would like to admit. I need to go. I need to leave. I'll be back in a minute. But in the meantime, I just love this new break feature. I'll give you another random one of my videos quickly. And mute myself.
This. So, the Nintendo Wii. This thing is great, released in 2006, and it's just great console, great modding capabilities, great everything. But some people have managed to get Windows NT running on the thing using this GitHub project that's linked in the description. I think it's called NT for Work Cubes. NT spelled NT. But anyway, I have it on an SD card. Well, I don't have it on an SD card. I'm going to transfer it to an SD card. And we're just going to install Windows NT on my Wii. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so we're back. We have an SD folder. And inside of this SD folder is everything that we need. So we're going to mount and we're going to copy everything into it. So we're going to apply to all right into. Alright, everything should be copied over. We have our SD card. It's not in focus, but we're going to put it in our SD card adapter and stick it into the Wii U. Let's go into the homebrew channel now. Unfortunately, we don't have any sound. This monitor does not have speakers, but sound doesn't work in NT anyway. So here it is. Here is NT. Alright, load it. Let's load it up. Hey, look at that. Does the keyboard work? Yes, it does. So let's run firmware setup. Create disk image. Slow. Let's repartition. There. Warning, all data on disk image HD00 will be lost. Yes. Successfully repartitioned. Okay. Restart. Now will that restart the it's gonna restart the actual console. Oh yeah, it's gone on the gamepad. Yeah, it's on the gamepad and it's on the Wii U menu, so we're gonna get back into Wii mode. You can open up the Wii menu directly. Well, because my console's modded, that doesn't work. Okay. Wii menu. TV and gamepad. I selected TV and gamepad. Alright, stand the gamepad up. Press plus on the Wii remote. Well, I'm not even going to be using the gamepad. I'm actually just going to be using just the TV. Alright, run NT setup from CD00. I'll do that. Oh, it doesn't work. I have to do it on the keyboard. Run NT setup from CD. Path cannot be resolved. What? Did I put it on incorrectly? See what I've done wrong. I named it disk 00 with a C, not disk 00 with a K. Alright, there we go. Now we can eject. And hopefully we can hot swap because, yeah. Plug it back in. Alright, we're in. Run. Nope. Alright, so we're gonna get out of this. Oh yeah, I can't use the gamepad. Restart. T setup. Hey, look at that. We are in. So we can go other, enter, Nintendo, GameCube, Wii and Wii U. That is my computer. If you do not have mass storage devices, I have S, other, Nintendo Wii SD slot. Okay, I'm going to configure another one. Nintendo Wii USB via iOS. I'm gonna do that. I'm also gonna look at the documentation again. Okay, well I think that's all I need because I'm not using an SD Gecko or a GameCube controller. Continue. Next, I need this one. Okay. Oh my gosh! This is working! It's recognized it. I don't have any more. Page down. Does the page down key actually work? The page down key actually works. F8. Okay, well we are almost done with the Debian installation. No, I don't think so, because I think NT is just a single core. NT is a really single core, single thread. Yeah, no, oh yeah, no it's not. I'm thinking of Windows 98. Gosh, the beaner! And we have working mouse support. Do we have working mouse support? Okay, no, we don't have working mouse support. We need to add working mouse support. EV Touch. Now, do we have working mouse support? We have working mouse support. So, let's pull up Firefox, that'll do. Actually change the system. No, it's in settings. Display. Let's change it to something like keep the config. That'll do. Linux from scratch.org. Why would I want read online? Let's run this.
Okay. We need bin utils. Okay. Sudo apt install G. Is G++ just the? Yes, G++ is just a thing. I gotta go now. You'll have a good one. Alright. You too. So we need bin utils. So, sudo apt install. We need bin utils. Auto make that flax lib tool pkg config. I file and get. Yes, download. For no. Okay, good. G++ does not work. Okay, let's just install G++. Install all of that. Oh, no, that's not. I can't just remove them. Two playlists. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna fix the whole playlist thing. LN-SF. One for yourself and one for a stream. No, I don't. No, this is my stream playlist. So, bin bash to bin sh. Oh. Okay. Then why does it have copyrighted songs? I don't know they're copyrighted. I didn't know when I was making the playlist. Anyway, I'm gonna figure out how to make a proper playlist system. Yeah, I'm apparently fine with this, but not a Dire Docs. I got copyright claimed on my last stream for using Dire Docs. And it looks like I am free of a copyright claim so far. Seaside Kingdom. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, this is Seaside Kingdom. But anyway. Script here. Do you know what? I can just use VS Code. This is fine. Oh yeah, I was just using VS Code just to peel it. No, I don't want to go through that whole process of disputing a copyright claim. Alright, new. User bin env bash. Oh, yep, now it just detected that I am... Now that I am writing a bash script. App install. Okay. So I need to go. Auto conf, auto make. There we go, LFS to Bina prep. Just quick shell. So anyway, I'm gonna stop the stream now. Yeah, I'm gonna stop the stream now. So thank you all for coming by. If you enjoyed the stream, leave a like. If you have something to say, leave a comment afterwards. And if you want to see more, subscribe. And if you want to see even more, become a channel member. I just had to say that. And speaking of channel members, I want to thank my channel members. I want to thank my channel members: Wodecrafters, Simply PH0, Lollapaloozan, Alice GD, and I'll see you in the next one.